So this is the new 2011 to me 4runner. I just got it, and it's a cool car. I got it for 4x4, and it's a good deal, and they tend to last long. But the one thing I hate about this is the light. So today I'm going to be changing the lights to the newer, I guess, facelift model. So it's 2014 and up. I happen to get a good deal on some 2023 lights that somebody upgraded, and got them for like 75 bucks. So if you guys want to see how it changed out, it should be quick. So first thing you're going to do is pretty much pop this out from the rear. I just put my key and popped it out. You're going to have two screws in there. I'm using 10mm sockets. So okay, I was able to get it in enough that it got loose. All right, this is the second one. Now we're gonna unplug. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're gonna unplug it right there. There's a little tab right here, and just push, squeeze it, and then pull out. There you go. So I think they should just pop out now. Old lights, 2023 lights. Let's see if it works. All right, they should technically just pop in. And I guess these holes are the ones that are gonna match up to this. Okay, let's see. That's the difference from the old ones and the new ones. Makes it look way better, I think, in my opinion. And they're plug and play. I didn't use no adapters. This is off of a 2023 4runner. This is a 2011. It was literally just plug and play. Very easy, actually. Now I'm gonna do the other side.